remind you that you're still under oath.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's it.
Mr. Stein.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ranger Espinoza, at the end of this investigation, you completed your report and you testified earlier about delivering evidence and things of that nature. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
And then at some point you also testified you had seen some video in this case. Is that right?
Yes, sir. Correct.
But at the time you completed your investigation or at least done your report, had you seen all the video in this case?
No, sir. I had not.
And at some point, were you able to view all the evidence or all the video that was made available from the lawsuiter in this case?
Yes, sir. I was.
Okay. And how many different days do we have of video in this case?
We have approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of video.
And do we have video before November 30th?
Yes, sir. We do.
On what days?
We have video from the 26th and the 29th.
Of 2022?
Yes, sir. Correct.
We have video, you already testified, we saw some video from the 30th. And what other days do we have video on as well?
We're also able to obtain December 1st and December 2nd.
And to your knowledge, is that all the video that you were able to obtain in this case?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Now, these videos from the 26th, 29th, 30th, 1st, and 2nd, what's the approximate length of each video in total?
The approximate length on the 26th and the 29th of relevance isn't much. Probably,
Well, let me start with this. How long are these? What is the time period that the entire video shows? I guess that's what I'm asking.
For the 30th, it's going to be almost 2 hours of video that we have.
Do they show a complete shift of Tanner Horner working on each one?
Yes, sir, they do.
Okay, the complete video, not the clips and things you're talking about, but the complete video.
Yes, sir, correct.
And so if I do the arithmetic here, that looks to be 30 hours or so potentially of video.
Correct, yeah, and a lot of that is just normal delivery work, obviously delivering packages, normal work shift, normal things.
Your Honor, I object to Ranger Espinoza testifying to something that is not into evidence.
Sustained.
When you viewed the video, you viewed the entire thing, did you not?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay. And during that time, other than the events that we're going to talk about, what's he generally do?
Delivery.
Objection, Your Honor, testifying to a video not into evidence.
Sustained.
Video, it's in evidence.
Videos have not been offered. As far as I
They've
recall.
been admitted.
What number?
It was been back there yesterday. Well, it was actually admitted early through Rick Ross, but then Becker identified those as videos from FedEx truck yesterday.
It was not offered yesterday during Mr. Becker, so if it's in evidence, it had to be offered by somebody. What is the
It was offered at Kurt Ross, the exhibit number.
What is the exhibit number?
$95 for the arrest van and $116 for the abduction van.
Okay, they're both been admitted. You may answer.
And, Your Honor, which dates are those?
States 95 and states 116.
Yes, but we have the arrest van, and I assume that that is the December, the first or second video. But what was the date of the video for State's Exhibit 116?
Your Honor, yesterday, Mr. Becker testified that all of the videos were downloaded on flash drives that were contained in 116.
Okay.
Your Honor, my question is the same. What dates are on State's Exhibit 116?
All 5 days, Your Honor.
Okay. Go ahead, Mr. State.
I'm gonna ask one question, and I'm gonna move on. The entire length of the videos is many, many hours.
Yes, sir, correct.
And in some portion of those many, many hours, you testified that Mr. Horner is doing what, Jim?
Delivering packages.
Now, let me just ask you with regard to the videos, you said you received the video from November 30th. Do you remember when you received the remaining videos in this case?
Sometime after we met with Velociter and received the rest of the dates, or we were able to create those events.
Now, at this time, were there some questions that you had remaining open that you were attempting to answer with regard to the facts and circumstances of this case?
Yes, there were.
All right, so generally speaking, what kinds of things are you still trying to answer in this case?
Obviously, reviewing the video would help us corroborate statements and ultimately obtain physical evidence that we were missing, such as clothing.
And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you about this video in kind of 3 sections here so it makes sense. So, but let me start with this. On the video, we talked a little bit about the time, and I want to make sure we're clear here. Is the time on this a normal time, like we can look at the clock back there and read it?
No, it's not. It has like a conversion based on the software they were using, so you would have to actually convert it to AM, PM by doing an equation.
And so just to give an example, if the camera that we watch on these videos shows 2,300 hours, if we were to back that up and say what time is it in November of 22, what time is it?
In November of 22, that time would have been approximately 6:53.
Okay. Well, with regard to that, is it 2,300 and then to convert it?
Yeah, I'm sorry, yes, 2,300, and then you convert it, and then you would end up at 5 p.m. Yes, I'm sorry.
I want to make sure where we are with this time.
Yes, sir.
Now, in the vehicles in the truck that you're watching this video, how many different views are there that you have access to in the truck?
So, through the course of the investigation, Velociter, it's a front dash cam view, and then it's a cabin view, so inside and outside.
So if I use the term dash cam, you understand that me looking out the front?
Yes, sir. Forward view,
If we say cabin cam, that's looking inside the cabin.
inside the cabin of the FedEx van.
Now, with regard to the dates of November 26th and, November 29th, were you able to watch all of the cabin cam on those 2 days?
No, sir.
Were you able to watch all of the dash cam on those 2 days?
No, sir.
Now, with regard to the dash cam, was the dash cam simply missing, or what happened to it?
Upon reviewing the videos, I observed that the defendant, throughout the course of those days, at certain times covered up the cameras with some type of sticky note or some type of object.
Let's talk about this specifically so we're aware of this. On the 26th of 2022, you said you observed him cover up the camera. When did he cover up the front-facing camera on November 26th?
Approximately 6:53 p.m. is when he I first observed that he covered the camera.
And then let's move to the 29th. When did he cover up the front-facing camera on the 29th?
Approximately 4:30 p.m.
Now, let me ask you, have you seen the video with regard where he arrives at the Huffman house sometime on November 29th?
Yes, sir, I have.
And what time does he arrive on November 29th at the Huffman house?
Approximately 5:45 p.m. I observed that he was at the Huffman residence.
Okay, and so let me ask you, how much time between when he covered the camera and he arrives at the Huffman house?
About an hour and 15 minutes approximately.
Now, let's move to November 30th. On November 30th, when do you observe him covering up the camera, front-facing camera on November 30th?
Approximately 4:09 p.m. on November 30th, which would have been the abduction day. I observed him cover the camera.
Front-facing camera.
Correct, yes, sir.
And then, when are you aware that he arrives at Athena's residence?
Approximately 5:30 p.m. he arrives at Athena's residence.
So how much time elapsed between when he covers up the camera and he arrives at Athena's residence?
Approximately an hour and a half.
What road, county road, is the Huffman residence on?
It's on the same road as Athena's residence, same county road.
What does that tell you, Ranger Espinoza?
Objection, Your Honor, that's all for speculation.
Sustain.
Why is that important to you?
Objection, Your Honor, again, that's speculation.
Sustain.
In reference to 3573, we've had testimony that it's a dead-end road. Where's the Huffman house on that road?
At the end of that road,
And where's Athena's house?
somewhere in the middle of that road.
You said something about Athena's clothes. Is that still a question that you have open?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And let me ask you about Athena's clothes. Were you able to discover what had happened to Athena's clothes as part of your review of this video?
Yes, sir, I was.
And what was that? What happened?
During the course of the viewing the video, I observed, I believe some of it went into a bag, and then I also observed the defendant placing what looked to be panties and the pants into the backpack. You could, obviously the cabin views up close, you see him unzipping it and put them inside the backpack, which we later located at the residence.
And on November 30th, the day of the murder, are we able to see the cabin cam for the entire time on the day of the murder?
No, sir,
And why is that?
because the defendant covered it.
And at some point, is it uncovered, and when was that?
Yes, sir. He uncovers it at the Loves on his way back to the FedEx station.
On the day of the murder?
Correct, yes, sir, on November 30th.
Are you able to see what he's doing in the vehicle when he's at the Loves?
Yes, sir.
What's he doing at the Loves after he uncovers the camera?
He's cleaning up the FedEx van.
Judge, we have to publish the video in this case.
Okay.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, for record purposes, could the state identify which video they are playing?
Ranger Espinoza, just so that we're clear on this, what's the date on the top of this video?
This video is November 26th of 2022, one of the first times that I observed him covering the camera.
And if we were to look on each of these videos that we're going to play today, is that where we find the date up there at the top?
Correct, yeah, if you view the top of the video, you can see the timestamp on the, and date stamp on the top of the video.
Okay. Yes, thank you.
caution. You, sir. Oh, okay. Okay, I was just making sure, kind of. Not too bad. Oh, man.
Regular counsel, let me ask you a couple of questions. You said before there's video after the date of the murder on 12/1 and 12/2, is that correct?
Yes, sir, that's correct.
And let me just ask you, during your interview with Tanner Horner, initially, did he tell you something about being in the area the next day where Athena went missing?
Yes, sir, yeah. So I understood that he at some point during the course of the day on December 1st had driven back into the actual search area and the area where Athena's home was located.
And do you remember when that was on 12/1?
I don't remember the approximate time on December 1st, but sometime during the course of that day.
And is that something we can see that on the video?
Yes, sir, you can.
So tell me, to your knowledge, how many times had he been on County Road 3573 in approximately the last 24 to 36 hours?
Objection, Your Honor, that's hearsay.
Overruled. I'm looking at
3 times based on the video evidence and throughout the course of my investigation, obviously.
Objection, Your Honor, that is based on hearsay. Anything that someone told him about Tanner's driving patterns is hearsay.
That's overruled.
Jim Wolf.
Lieutenant?
Listen,
Hey, listen, Matt, at the station here, they're on this assistant senior.
hello?
Hey, this is Mike Drescher, the assistant senior here at the station.
So,
Hey, nothing, I need to get a little info for you on a delivery you had yesterday.
Your Honor, may I approach?
It's going to,
Right, everyone may be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, you will disregard the last few seconds of that video that was played when Mr. Horner received that phone call, okay? Disregard anything that may have been said or that you observed in that phone call, okay? All right, second picture.
so, did you see where there was an Amber alert for a little 7-year-old girl that, and she's missing, and she lives in Paradise.
Hang on, approach.
Hey, I have some packages for down here. Am I able to go that way or? Okay. What's going on? Oh, shit. Fun. not 3575? I think it's 3573. I went down the wrong road. Thank you. There's a lot of people in the way. Can't get through, there's people in the way. Get through. Hey, could you tell me where I need to get through? There's like people and a vehicle in the way. Huh? No, like that's the only way out. I have more packages to deliver. That's the only way out. There's like more packages I need to deliver.
You can pull up and try to ask them to get through, but there's been a kidnapping. So it's all blocked off. So you'll have to just pull up and ask them if they'll let you through, but there's been a 7-year-old taken.
Are you serious?
I put all this in court.
$24. Are you serious?
So if you pull up and ask the officers right here if they'll let you through, but it's all blocked off.
people keep getting in the way, and
Ready for the next video.
Okay. Is that video number 3?
Video number 3.
Okay. I need to take a short break for just a few minutes. Okay. We'll call you right back in, probably about 10 minutes. Okay.
Sorry, I accidentally turned on the freaking, what's it called?
So did you eat that hamburger today?
Yeah.
Wow, they came up fast.
No, I ate it for lunch today.
Okay. Well, are you on your way home?
I'm on my way back to the station.
Okay. Well, I need for you to stop at, I have some free toilet paper.
Day three, isn't it?
Okay, last thing I heard was toilet paper. What?
Albertsons. They don't pay me.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
giving a heads up, I would give me the same truck tomorrow, because it kind of smells like bark in here, and kind of, I guess I just ate. I'm just giving a heads up, I would give me the same truck tomorrow, because it kind of smells like bark in here, and kind of, I guess I just ate something bad earlier, but I kind of threw up in the back of the truck, which I'm still good to work tomorrow, don't worry, but I did eat something that didn't agree with me, and it kind of stinks now. I'm just,
Is there a way to wash it out?
I just stopped at Love's and I used some paper towels and some sanitizer spray.
Well, see what you can do quickly to clean it up. I'll let Chase know.
Oh no, I mean, I already cleaned it up. I just got done cleaning it up.
Alright, we'll bring something tomorrow to kind of spray it down, but yeah, we'll stick it back in that truck.
Yeah, it smells bad. I got rid of the throw up. I couldn't get rid of the smell.
Okay, thank you for letting me know. I hope you're feeling better.
Oh, no, after I threw up, I felt a lot better. I was feeling a little bit nauseous all day. But
Well,
clearly I got rid of whatever it was.
I appreciate you knocking out the route.
Oh yeah, I mean, I can deal with being nauseous.
Alright, man. Well, you'll get a good night's sleep, and we got a big day tomorrow, so.
I know, like, have you figured out what it's looking like?
I don't. I'm getting ready to call Chase and see. I'm gonna let him know. I can let you know as well. I'll text you back.
Alright.
Alright, man. Thank you. Have a good evening.
Alright, you too.
Alright, thanks, Tanner.
Hey, just to let you know, I wasn't able to tell you earlier because I was trying to go to get some cleaning supplies out of Love's, but I kind of threw up in the back of the truck. I threw up in the back of the truck. So there's this one single gas station that's out where I work, right? And they have this little cafe on the inside. I ate a hamburger for lunch. You know, and there's a little bit deep in the middle, which, you know, normally that's not that big of a deal. I eat burgers like that in restaurants all the time. But I've been feeling nauseous for the last few hours. And I finally just
better not be sick or actually breathing.
Oh no, I actually feel a lot better.
And how far away are you? From your children is in the garden.
About 15 minutes. When you called me, I was literally in Lowe's, like, trying to get cleaning supplies. First, they're going to try to make me buy cleaning supplies. I was just like, no, I know you guys got some paper towels and some sanitizer that I can use. She's like, oh, well, I'm really not supposed to. Well, I could just sweep it off on this concrete. She's like, all right. about 15 minutes. Over.
Howard, transfer with our friends, please.
All right. Love you.
I'll be back.
Cross-examination.
No questions.
May Ranger Espinoza be excused.
You may be right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Judge. Mr. Staton?
Sign state register.
Okay. The state is rested, and I've told you what your schedule will be next week. Okay, so we will see y'all on Wednesday. Same routine you've been doing. That's a lot of days to be exposed to the media, so stay away. Okay, we're halfway through. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Deputy King will have things for you when you get back into the jury room. All right? All rise.